In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates here in Google Sheets. So we have our example data set right here, where I want to highlight some of the repeated values. In order to do that, we're going to do a logical test with the COUNTIF function. Let's start our formula right here. Type in COUNTIF, or select it right here. Select your range, comma, and your criterion. And now it tells us that there are 3 Californias in the range, but in order to see where they are and to highlight them, we're going to ask if it's greater than 1, and the answer is true. So if we drag this down, we have our suggested formula that locks in our range. Let's accept that, and there you have it. So we have true here, and true here, which tells us this is where the repeated values are. And this formula will help us highlight our duplicates in this range. So let's select that range, go to Format, select Conditional Formatting. Go to the Format Rules, go to the bottom, select Custom Formula Is. And now we enter the formula that we have here, copy it, and paste it. And as you see, our duplicates are already highlighted. And if we select a different color, we can do so, and done. So even if we delete this one, it wouldn't affect our data set. And there you have it. Now, if you want to delete all of these duplicates, all you have to do is select the range, go to Data, select Data Cleanup, and remove duplicates. If you remove duplicates, all of the duplicates will be deleted. And that's how to highlight duplicates here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.